The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, baki way. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Kaptu kat ni sengi na kejingmi ke huri hura hadian bak Khasi Students Union KSU, kalapan long ye kejingya baik rally kum kedak ban penpau kejing persya. Halor kejing bam jubab ke sarkar jilla, ya Tylli kimat ki bak labu ahkmat jangka. Nagaliang ukanrat ke sangma menteri rangba ke jilla, ulapan tip bak sarkar jilla kalapa ada ke shiti ke union ban Khot Ïakren Halor ke tegiman. Habakren shikila pathai khubor menteri rangba ke jilla ulaong. Bau kmilenti bagi nong yalam ke KSU kin ai ke jubab shen, Halor ke tegi shiti ban Ïakren, Halor ke tegi Tylli kiman. Ha kawai ke liang menteri rangba Pynksan ru bak klem dan kanu ke jing phil na ki bor badai khmi ha ke tegi jingja, da ka bakdo, bawat ke sarkar ru ke klem muddur ban mi kum titu ki jingja.
Well, we have written to them today, officially this time, and asked them to come for discussions or for talks. We expect that we will get some response, maybe by today evening or maybe tomorrow. And we will discuss all the 5 agendas and the points that I mentioned. You see, the law is in place for a reason. And whatever happens, the law will take its course. And therefore, it will be incorrect for me or anybody to simply come in and say that the rules and the laws will change because it's one organization or different organization or one individual. I think that is not proper in governance. Therefore, please allow the law to take its own course. I think it's not proper for us to interfere. And the laws have been made for that purpose. And it will move ahead with that purpose.
But the leader of political conspiracy behind.
Well, we are investigating the entire aspect. And we are not closing any of the possibilities. We're looking at all aspects. We saw the statement made by the General Secretary of KSU right after the incident happened, saying that that it was not their people who were involved in the violence. But obviously, at that point in time, given the circumstances and given all the situation, the reports and everything we had and the intel that we had at that point in time, we took action based on that. But as I said, we are not going to leave any stone unturned. That statement was made by the General Secretary of the KSU. So obviously we're going to ensure that investigation is done on all fronts. Yeah, we have managed to, situation has been brought under control in kind of a limited period of time. A lot of discussions took place in the front, behind, and communication was being done. So the idea is to resolve the issues. I think that is what is the primary objective that we have in front. We will definitely examine the points that have been placed by the Honorable LO, and we'll see after examining how maybe we should move forward in that. But we'll examine. You see, intelligence failure is a very easy word to use. It's a kind of a buzzword which, if any situation happens, then the most jazzy word to use is intelligence failure. There was no intelligence failure as such. All the aspects were looked into. But to be very frank, we also work in one sense on the basis of some trust and some kind of assurance. And we move forward with that kind of trust and assurance also. Plus, as I said, when you have a movement of this scale taking place, sometimes it's physically not possible for us to place people everywhere. But we had our people along the routes. And the scale and the overall geographic area in which the incidents were happening led to a lot of complexity for us to monitor the situation on the ground immediately.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya